Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Godzilla versus Shimo Face Off. If you like these videos, make sure to subscribe and support us on Artland. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with our Godzilla versus Shimo Face Off, let's begin with Shimo. So I'm going to start right here, and let's start the eye. Let's begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to bring it back like this. Next, let's go ahead and draw a little line that's going to go down and up for the actual eye. And then let's make a little line underneath here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down. And then under here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up. Now, starting out here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. And we're going to go up to here and then just come down a little bit at an angle. We'll do that again, kind of come up and then down at an angle. Do it one more time right here. And then let's come right to about here and stop. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to bring this line down, I'm going to come up, and then down like this. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and kind of curve up. And then we're going to just kind of bring it down to here. Next, we're going to curve this line down, and we're going to come out to here. We'll kind of angle this down and just curve it for the chin. Next, I'm going to bring this line up here, and then just kind of up again. Then we're going to bring this line down to about here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to add some kind of like pointed lines. So we'll put two right here, kind of two different sizes. Make another one that kind of comes out and in, and then a smaller one right here. We'll make one that goes down and up here. Next, I'm going to curve a line down, and I'm going to make a couple more little lines in here. Now I want to add some teeth. So to make the teeth, we're just going to make some small, sharp, pointed teeth right across the top, and then some more small, pointed teeth right across the bottom. Then we'll just make a little line down here to kind of show where the other side of the mouth is. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line out and then down. And then I'm going to make that same shape right here. I'm going to continue this a few more times until I meet right there. Now, Shimo's going to have a row of these different spikes over here, kind of almost like a different material. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make one that's going to come up and then down. And I'm just going to continue this all the way down. We're going to make this nice row of spikes. And we can make these different sizes too. So we're just going to kind of make these all the way down to here. I'll make a little small one right there. Then I'll put one up here at the top. And we'll make a nice long one here and then bring it back. Next, I'm going to put a few more coming down here. We're going to make these a little bigger. And even kind of fill in some spaces with some small ones. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down and then up. And then I'm going to repeat this quite a few times to make it look like he's got like a wrinkly neck. Now back here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down like this, and I'm going to do this a few more times. until I go right to the edge of my paper. And then I'm going to make some tall kind of spikes right here that go right off to the edge. Then I'm going to put another row of big spikes right there. Next, I'm going to kind of bring some little lines down here towards the neck. And then I'm going to put some broken lines right here. I'm going to put some broken lines here and a couple broken lines around the mouth. And I'm going to add a few more little kind of points in here just to kind of show some different little spikes. And then maybe a little broken line right across the top. I'll even add some little lines onto some of these spikes here just to make a little bit of detail. Now, over here, we're going to draw Godzilla. And Godzilla's going to be a little bit smaller than him because Shimo's supposed to be really big compared to Godzilla. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to go down. I'm going to come over here and then angle it down. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and then up for the eye. Then we're going to make a couple little lines right here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to bring it back here and then down. Then I'll bring another one out here and down. And then I'm just going to kind of repeat this all the way until I get to the end of my paper. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then we're going to go down. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down here for the nose. I'm going to bring this line over. We're going to come up and then down here. Then I'm going to bring this line down to here at an angle. Bring this line down and up here. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then up with like a curve. Next, I'm going to bring this line over, make it kind of bumpy, and then I come up for the jaw. Now inside of here, let's add this little line for the back of the mouth. And then we're going to make a couple little lines inside there. Next, I'm going to add some sharp teeth all the way across. And then some sharp teeth right down here. Put one more up here. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down and up. And then it's going to come back for the tongue. Next, I'm going to bring this down and up. And then I'm going to keep doing this so we can make the texture on his neck. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a couple little kind of points, like he's got some different little spikes underneath his chin. And then I'm going to make some little points right over here to make it look like he's got some more spikes kind of growing out from behind his jaw. Then for his dorsal plates, I'm going to make them kind of curve back a little bit. So we're going to make a couple points that just kind of curve back. I want to bring these right up to here. I like to add a couple little extra lines in here. And then a couple little like broken lines in here as well. I'm going to make a few kind of textured lines right along here. And then a few more little broken lines in here. I'm I'm going to start a line, it's going to come down, and then we're going to come up here. And we'll add another little line or two that come right up towards the nose. I'll make some little broken lines right around the mouth. And I'm going to add a couple little texture lines right here, a few more little broken lines, even a few lines kind of right around the head. Even add a line or two up here, and then a couple little bumps in here just for some texture. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Shimo versus Godzilla face-off. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.